the highest office in the land has not spoken about this incident in Kisumu. Nor has the minister condemned appropriately what happened to Senator Osotsi in Kisumu. So I want to defer to Edwin as part of the team.
The weight of evidence cannot force the police to act on the gangsters themselves, the gangsters, the masterminds of these, goons. Then there is no law and order in this country. There is no law and order, and the situation is so bad that the people who are behind these goons are themselves in law enforcement. I don't know how bad it can get in a country when the people who are charged with protecting the public are the ones actually attacking people at restaurants. For us as politicians, we understand that sometimes it can get rough, but we don't countenance a situation where you are attacked having tea at a restaurant with your family or with your friends. So we want to continue to ask that the person behind the goons themselves must be also brought to record a statement, if not arrested, because he is known and the weight of evidence is there, as Governor Orengo has said.
And we want to ask the government, because we know how things happen sometimes in this country, whereby kitu inaanza inasukuma ikifika mahali inakoma. Sisi kama Linda Mwananchi tutahakikisha haki imepatikana, na hatutaki jina ya watu wa Kisumu itanishiwa na mtu. Wale ambao, those small group which was organized by some people who are well known, we want them to be brought to book, and we want to assure the people of Kisumu that upendo ile wanatuonyesha, tunakuja 26, we will be there to stand with them na to condemn hii jambo imetendeka tukiwa pamoja.